Hi, welcome to Quirky Queen's Journals. My name's Kirsten. I have been making double pocket baggies. They were so simple. Now, I've used masking tape, but you could sew them, just sew around the edges, or you could use a clear glue. And they just clip in very easily onto a page of a junk journal, like so. You can just slip it into a pocket, like so. Like so. Right, put the paper clips off to the side. So this is one of the little tracing paper ones. And as you can see, we've got a little double pocket. Wanted to ink those wee bits there after I cut them. And these are just wee AliExpress postcards that I've put onto the back of brown paper to make journaling spots. Now this one is from brown paper, and I have fussy cut these out of a trees and shrubs book, and this house was in that book, and this is out of a Brer Rabbit by Enid Blyton book. And again, you can see the double pockets. This is out of Cook's Tours. It's kind of, I think it's to do with Thomas Cook actually. It is, look, Thomas Cook and Son Limited. So it's got a lot of Victorian times travel, Edwardian times travel in it. And I kept the picture in the back because it's fantastic. And Brer Rabbit just jumping over the top of it. This is out of the AA Birds of Britain book. And this is out of the Pep and Decorative Papers book. This is the Brer Rabbit book, wee book page 1. I found some washi tape instead of using the masking tape this time. So this is just packing paper that I've got covered in ink. Now just fold it slightly more, so that slightly more than a third is here. Now I'm sure the washi tape won't work as well as the masking tape as a permanent feature. There we go. And then this one, we want that to come round slightly more. Doesn't matter what side, whether top or bottom. Depends what look you want. Sometimes you might, if one's a bit raggedy, you might actually prefer to use that one. Now when you put this on, you're only putting it, letting half of it cover here because you're folding it over at the bottom. But you can let that be a super tall one, or you can turn it into 2. There's 1. I actually prefer that edge. And there's 2. Now what I might do, because I have used washi tape, is I might run it through the sewing machine just round the outsides. My sewing machine skills are very debatable. Like here I've created little holes, but there we go. I'll make an envelope to go inside of the wee pocket that we've just made. I made that look much more difficult than it is. So although there is a gap here, it's this that it goes to. The actual envelope itself is sealed, but it's a bit precarious. I'm just putting these in. It's 2 wee lovely bits of paper that could be written on or have a wee photograph or a wee image attached, anything at all. But honestly, they're just gorgeous. Let's put one at the front, and one at the back. Don't want to put too much on. I think that's nice like that. It's just got a wee bit there. Isn't it? Just going to make a wee tag. Oh, I don't want to cut off the deer's nose. Just making a tiny tag. I think that works on this side, but this would work better on that side. But we're going to put it in this way. Oh, gorgeous. Wee paper clip. Really like that one. I have these that I've printed off of Canva. The one with the pink flowers was too big for the pocket, and because it was a symmetrical pattern, it wouldn't have been easy to cut down. So this isn't quite big enough, but I really like that. I'm going to stick it through the sewing machine just because I do really like it. I learned a significant lesson there. I had to just go wonky and make it look like it was meant to be that way. Stitching in an oval is not easy. I mean, I'm quite happy with how it's turned out, to be honest, but that was not my intention. Look at that. Do you know, it looks like when McDonald's do the, oh, what are they called in the morning? A hash brown. It looks like that in the McDonald's bag. Anyway, we need to do something with this. Worked out really nice actually. I had some loose threads, so I've just left it on like a little ponytail. But lovely, it's a lovely wee tag. Wonder if I should have had that going. Done now. That's good enough to use as a tag. So there we have it, little double pocket baggies. That are perfect for just paper clipping onto the side of a page in a junk journal, or slipping into a pocket, or even just on their own as a wee extra when you're putting it into a letter or something. I love them. They were so simple. literally a couple of folds and a bit of masking tape, or you could have used any tape, or you could have used glue, or you could have done sewing, anything at all. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Take care, bye.